At muli tayo nagbabalik dito sa Balayong Night Market, and this is the Backyard Pinas at Got Talent, and this is still your Backyard host, Marcus Max. So natungayan na natin ang iba't ibang talento na dito lang yan naganap sa kahabaan ng Mendoza Port. And now, before we see our champions tonight, of course, we would like to thank all the suppliers, sponsors, and our judges. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, let's give the certification of appreciation to our Board of Judges for March 2 and March 3.